Is your iPhone screen staying on even when you're not using it, and it won't lock when you press the power button? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you why your iPhone screen won't sleep, lock, or turn off, and the exact steps to fix it on iOS 26 and later. I have my iPhone right here, and if I press the power button at the right side, you can see that the screen doesn't turn black completely like it should when I lock my phone. You can still see the wallpaper, the clock, maybe some of your notifications and so on. So how can we fix this issue? Let's open our settings page, scroll down and find this display and brightness section. Then tap on the always on display section, and then this is the option which you want to turn off. The moment you switch this off, your iPhone will go back to the normal lock screen behavior. So now, when you press the power button, the screen should turn fully black right away, just like it used to. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like on this video, and I will see you in the next one.